What flowers can you plant in October? Now, October's one of my favourite seasons to be planting flowers. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, where we share with you each month what flowers you can plant this month. Now, the reason why October is so special in planting flowers for me is because it's one of the favourite flowers that I love to plant, and that is spring bulbs. Now, I always say about planting spring bulbs because it's the first thing the bees have when they wake up from hibernation to get in the food and their energy from. So I like to encourage the bees down to my allotment and hopefully give them the energy and the food that they need. So I do plant a lot of spring bulbs, and obviously they look absolutely gorgeous. When there's not much colour around, it will brighten up your allotment and make it look beautiful, especially for the photos, which I always love to do. Lots of selfies. So what spring bulbs can we plant this month? So the first up is tulips. The best time to plant the tulips is towards the end of October, beginning of November, as this can affect getting tulip fire and can affect the tulips in flowering. Next up is daffodils. Now I'm going to be planting lots of those mini little daffodils in my new borders, so look forward to sharing them with you and seeing how well they grow. They're absolutely gorgeous. Crocuses, again, another dainty little flower. So if you like your crocuses, ideal for pots and for borders, add some crocuses into the garden. Next up is hyacinth. Now I wish I could have all my allotment full of hyacinths because they smell absolutely gorgeous and they look beautiful, but they're quite expensive to buy, hyacinths, but a well worth addition to any garden. Next up is muscari, the ones that look like bluebells. They look like miniature little hyacinths, but yeah, another great addition to pots and to borders, and you can get them in blue, purple, white, lots of beautiful colours, and will attract beautiful colour to your garden. Next up is alliums, one of the later flowering spring bulbs. Now bees absolutely love the allium bulbs for the flowers on them, so if you do want to attract the bees to your garden, alliums are a great addition, and once they start to die off you can chop the tops off and use them as a feature in a vase and let them dry out. Next up is snowdrops. Obviously they like to spread as well, so if you're wanting to plant some in an area, be careful because they will spread, but a great first flowering of the spring bulb variety, and they'll look absolutely gorgeous in the garden. Next up are your biennial flowers. Now this means that they won't flower this year, but they'll flower next year, and there's quite a few of these, so if you are wanting to get things growing in your shed over the winter period, these are the ideal things to grow. Foxgloves, absolutely gorgeous, great for the bees. Sweet williams, wallflowers, forget-me-nots, honesty, aquilegia. Again, aquilegia will like to spread. It'll burst its seeds everywhere and they'll pop up everywhere, so if you don't mind them spreading, put some in your border and you'll get great additions of flowers for years to come. Lupins, I've grown lupins from seed before a few times, and it's so easy to grow really well, and obviously save you a lot of money if you grow them yourselves. So give lupins a try and see how well you get on. Hollyhocks and delphiniums, massive flowers on them, a great addition to any cottage style garden and great for the borders as well. So those are all the biennial flowers that you can sow this month to add some great colour to your gardens next year. So if you're wanting some great colours in your garden, which will grow every year once you've sown them, and save you lots of money in buying the plants, if you sow them yourselves, add them to your garden. Now if you're wanting some early spring colour, early winter colour, now is the time to be planting your pansy seeds, your viola seeds, your primroses, and winter flowering heather. Now obviously you'll need to get them as plants, but they will add some great colour to your garden. I bought some from B&Q years ago, what they were selling off at 50p, and it's spread and it's absolutely gorgeous. Comes out every winter, it looks beautiful in my borders and it does a fantastic job. So I hope you've enjoyed this video of what flowers you can plant in October. Make sure you check out our video of what vegetables you can plant in October as well. Share this video with all your friends or your allotment growers or your garden buddies, and spread the word and encourage other people to grow their own. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.